You having fun out there, girlie?
Yeah. Guys, are you eating?
Oh, yeah, we're eating. I bet you your ants are taking a good sleeping lesson today, this summer. They're going to come out all nice and happy.
Can I play with them again?
Sure you can. What are you doing, Z?
Oh, you're careful.
Of course I am. Holes in the snow.
Oh my gosh, what is the snow?
You didn't bring any of your eyeballs out here, did you?
No.
Okay, good, because you're going to lose them in here. You won't find them till springtime at this snow.
I knew you were going to camp with me.
Of course I am. Outside your bedroom window. Look at that. Look where the snow is.
Hi, this is Ubi and Uma, and we're playing in the snow. We're gonna make them sleep.
Wow.
Okay, so today we're making holes for the snow so they can hibernate.
Oh boy, hibernation.
I don't know why I thought they would hibernate, but they would go to sleep. I'm making you when there's snow.
Hey.
More snow. Snow is cool. It's that snow.
This is a pretty good birthday gift from Mr. Winter. What do you think?
Yeah.
Hey. Snowballs. Snow angel. Wait a minute, hold on. Close up. Snow angel. Say hello.
Hello.
Say see you later.
See you later.
Loving the snow.
Loving the snow.
One snowball. Go ahead, throw it in the air. Ah! All right, see you later. Bye-bye.